Listening, Unit 2, page 11b.
You will hear part of a radio interview with a girl called Sophie and a boy called Mark. For each question, circle the correct option, A, B or C.
And now for something I've been looking forward to all day. Here in the studio we have Sophie with us. So Sophie, welcome. Now, would you like to try some fresh French cheese?
Yes, I would. Thank you very much. What's it called?
Well, this is a cheese called Roquefort. Tell me what you think of this.
That was delicious.
It is, isn't it? It's made here in the south of France. People have made Roquefort here for hundreds of years. It's believed that a civilization discovered it in 79 AD.
Wow. It's quite strong. It's making me thirsty. So, what kind of cheese is it?
Well, it's actually a sheep's cheese. You know, made from sheep's milk.
Oh, wow. OK. Oh, I love it. So, what's the process for producing it?
Well, the milk comes from local specially bred sheep which roam on the fields by the mountains. Afterwards, the shepherds make the cheese using the raw milk from the sheep.
Oh, so it's not pasteurised?
No, it's completely natural. They leave the basic cheese to mature in the Roquefort caves for 3 months, where the temperature and humidity are just right to develop the special taste and appearance of the cheese.
Well, it's really fantastic. Is it famous in France?
Yes, it is. And we've had it recognised for PDO status, so only producers from the Roquefort region can call their cheese Roquefort.
I must try and take some home with me. It'll be a delicious addition to my lunch.